Hello, this is Patrick White with your Thursday, September 3rd morning market update. Grain markets are mixed here this morning. We've got December corn down a penny lower at 357 and 3 quarters. November soybeans are up 3 and 3 quarter cents at 965 and 3 quarters. The corn market is seeing two-sided action here these last couple of days as bulls have been held to that 360 level here in the December contract this week. Traders were disappointed yesterday by the weekly ethanol grind showing only 922,000 barrels were produced per day last week versus the 931,000 seen the week prior. Additionally, stocks showed a 500,000 barrel build. The ethanol grind has not really returned back to normal, and it's consistently about 10% lower than what would be considered strong during the pre-pandemic. For this reason, people are using less gasoline as they travel less for work, stay more at home here recently, just in the post-pandemic world. And just for this reason, bulls are staying pretty tempered here for the time being in the corn market. And that's why the December contract has just stuck in near that 360 resistance level, despite the stronger export business that we have seen recently from China and elsewhere. So, I think it's kind of a lot of push-pull here ahead of, what the USDA has to say here later on next week. The soybean market here is higher after making new highs overnight for the current move. Yesterday's rumor of China booking at least 8 cargoes of U.S. soybeans, or about 17.6 million bushels for the new crop December-January delivery period, is keeping the market bid here. The soybean market did respond to that report here to make new highs overnight, with the current move stopping at 968 and a quarter in the November contract here so far. Traders will be watching to see if that can be broken before heading to the mid 8 or before the mid 970s later on here, either today or this week, and that will likely depend on the export sales report coming out here this morning. Traders are expecting export sales for soybeans to come in between 1 million metric tons and 1.8 million metric tons, and we'll see if that number can come closer to that 1.8 million figure or larger and give us cause to get a new leg higher, or even, if they miss it, spark some liquidation. So I think that'll be the big story here this morning, at least in the early goings on this Thursday. And I think if we rally to that next level, we'll be looking at the 974, 975 level. And then if we can break above there, 982 and 3 quarters, of course, is the old high for the year. And that was set on the first day of the year on January 2nd. So 974 to 975 and then 983, basically, for the November contract. Couple of targets there for you as far as, cash sales and futures targets go. So that's all I've got for today, and have a productive Thursday out there. And remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606.